Kelly from 386.com. We're here at Canaveral National Seashore on a Friday morning, and it's kind of cold outside, and we're going to be taking the clamming class.
As long as the tines here are at least an inch apart, it's legal. If they're shorter than this, which is like a regular garden rake, they're much closer together. You may not use that to harvest clams with.
It's not a difficult technique. And get your tongs down at least 2 to 3 inches into the sand or the mud, because that's probably get up to about where your knees are, depending on where the tide is. So you have to, experience that and make that judgment call as to where you're at. You walk out and face the bank itself, so you know where you're at. Okay, and then you take your rake and you just stand there and you start. I do start at this point over here and just start raking to myself like this.
Was it a pet? You got him in water?
Here, so 1/8 of an inch. That's how you measure them.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got to be an inch, at least an inch.
We had to find something, Chrissy. Come on. Yummy. Going to Publix.
It's a good thing we don't have to hunt for our survival.